Developing tonight, New York Attorney General Letitia James is leading a coalition of 13 other attorneys general and calling on the Department of Justice to investigate Garret Foster's murder in the wake of Daniel Perry's pardon. Last year, a jury convicted Perry for shooting Foster during a George Floyd protest. And earlier this month, Governor Greg Abbott issued a pardon on the recommendation of the Board of Pardon and Paroles. CBS Austin's Abigail Velez joins us live at the Texas Capitol tonight. And Abigail, this coalition is asking the DOJ to look into another Perry, whether Perry violated federal laws or not here.
Yeah, well, the basis of the argument for these 14 attorneys general is that Perry may have violated federal civil rights laws when he murdered Foster back in 2020. Now they're calling on the Department of Justice to investigate.
We had justice. We had justice.
That's Garret Foster's mother, Sheila Foster, earlier this month saying justice was lost when Governor Greg Abbott pardoned her son's convicted killer, Daniel Perry. Perry was working part-time as an Uber driver in Austin when he encountered Foster at a Black Lives Matter protest in 2020, later fatally shooting him. A jury convicted Perry, but Governor Abbott pardoned him, saying Perry was acting in self-defense, citing Texas's Stand Your Ground law. It's been about 2 weeks since the pardon was issued, and now a coalition of 14 attorneys general say they're trying to restore justice in this case.
These state attorney generals have asked our federal attorney general Merrick Garland, to investigate, simply to investigate whether there are federal criminal civil rights laws that were violated, basically hate crimes.
New York Attorney General Letitia James is joined by 13 other AGs urging the Department of Justice to open a civil rights investigation into Foster's murder.
But any state governor does not have the power to pardon a defendant for federal crimes because the federal crimes supersede them.
The letter from the coalition sent Wednesday to the U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland says Texas law does not prevent a federal prosecution for Mr. Perry's act of killing someone for racial reasons.
If our attorney general decides to present this to a federal grand jury, then there could be a new federal trial, and the new federal judge presiding over it could consider from scratch.
Meaning a new trial with a new jury, but potentially serving the same evidence. Now, so far, neither AG Garland or the Department of Justice have responded to this letter. I reached out to Governor Greg Abbott for comment. We have not heard back. Now, within the next few days, I'll be reaching out to the Foster family on their reaction to this letter that was submitted just yesterday. I'll be sure to update you both on air and online. Reporting live at the Texas Capitol, Abigail Velez, CBS Austin News.